All Pro Timber Crown Roofing repairs damaged roof shingles in Longport, New Jersey, fixing leaks, lifted tabs, storm damage, and worn areas before small issues become costly roof problems later on. Our crew inspects the affected section, matches replacement shingles when possible, seals problem spots, and cleans the work area. Homeowners in Longport can count on honest advice, fair pricing, and repairs built to handle coastal weather season after season safely. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for a roof shingles repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Timber Crown Roofing. How do I know if my roof shingles need repair? Curled, cracked, missing, or loose shingles, ceiling stains, granules in gutters, and visible leaks are common warning signs. A professional roof inspection can identify damage before it becomes a bigger problem. Can missing shingles cause roof leaks? Yes, missing shingles expose your roof to rain and moisture, allowing water to reach the underlayment and decking. Prompt repairs help prevent leaks, structural damage, and costly future repairs. What is the service area for your Longport, New Jersey location? Our roof shingles repair service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Longport, Margate City, Summers Point, Linwood, Northfield, Ocean City, Ventnor City, Atlantic City, Pleasantville, Beasley's Point, Marmora, Palermo, Egg Harbor Township, Zion Park, Absecon, Brigantine, Seal City, Avalon, Stone Harbor, and Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey. Where is your Longport, New Jersey roof shingles repair service office located? We are located at 202 North Colgate Avenue, Longport, New Jersey 08403. Our phone number is 640-500-2297. Visit our website, aproofer.com/Longport-NJ.